everyone, hope that all of you are well and having a good time. I'm also well. This is our home and I'm with my younger brother Snigdo and we both are really happy today. Do you know why? Because today I bought a new gimbal and by using it, now I am recording this video. But the problem is I am not being able to use it perfectly because it's really difficult to control the gimbal. So now I'm with my younger brother Snigdo. So Snigdo, that today I bought a new gimbal, and how do you feel about it?
Yeah, I feel very good because I was really excited for it.
Okay, you are so excited about it. Oh
Yeah.
my God, that's really good. Okay, so today I went to Dhaka with my an elder brother who lives next to our home. Okay, and the journey was not good, but like I'm so happy now because I bought a new gimbal. And now this is the most important part of my video. I will go to my mother and I will ask some question about me, about my new gimbal to my mother. Let's see how it goes and let's see how she answers all my questions. So here is my mother. Just look at her. So, hey ma, তোমার কেমন লাগছে বলো?
খুব খুশি লাগতেছে।
খুব খুশি? এই যে আজকে নতুন গিম্বলটা কিনলাম, এটা নিয়ে কিছু বলো।
তুমি গিম্বলটা কিনছো, আমি অনেক খুশি হলাম। তোমার আশা যে ভগবানে পূরণ করে।
আচ্ছা, এই যে ইংরেজি ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি অনেকদিন ধরে, তোমার কেমন লাগতেছে বলো?
খুব ভালো লাগতেছে, তোমার আশা যে ভগবানে পূরণ করে।
Yes, that's really good. Okay, my mother is waiting for me. My father is still working for me. So, I have to do something better for them. Yes, not only for them, also for me. I am in a mission and I know what I'm doing. I'm clear about my future and I know what I'm doing. It's not bad. It's a skill that I'm developing from my early age. Okay. So yeah, I should do some good works so that my future can be bright. I can do some good things and I can bring some happiness for my family members. So that is the thing and that is the reason why I am working so hard nowadays. Okay, and back of me there is another special person. She is my grandmother. ঠাকুমা, বলো তোমার কেমন লাগতেছে আজকে?
ভালো লাগতেছে।
ভালো লাগতেছে? এই যে আজকে এই যে নতুন গিম্বলটা কিনলাম, কেমন লাগতেছে?
ভালো লাগতেছে।
ভালো. Okay, she is very happy. She always support me a lot and I really love her very much. Yes, of course. If I support myself, my God will support me. That is something I always believe. So that's why it's very important. We should support ourselves. If we do it, then the rest of the things will God do. Okay, and we should believe on ourselves, on our capability. I know we all have some limitation, but like if we all time talk about our limitation, then there is no time to prove ourselves. There is no time to do some good works. So that is the thing. It doesn't matter what others talking about you. You don't need to take their words. You just need to focusing on your future. You just need to do some good things for yourself and for your family members. And that I have been doing for a long time, like for last 5 or 6 months. Okay, so there is another special person available and she is my pet animal Pablo, although she is sleeping at this moment and I don't know you are being able to see her or not, but just a minute. So here is our Pablo. She is so happy and she always looks happy and she always try to stay very close to me. So that is the thing and it's really easy to make video with the gimbal, although I'm having some problem with controlling it. So but nothing to do at this moment because today I bought it. Maybe after 2 or 3 days I will be able to control it and maybe within a very short time I will know all the features about it and I will be able to make many more good videos and I already select some topic for making videos. Nowadays so many people asking me when and how I started my journey and they also eagerly waiting to get some tips from me about learning English, and that is my vision why I'm working so hard. And I hope within a very short time I will start making videos with the topics that already messaged me to my audience. They told me to make videos with this type of topics. I will try to make videos. So that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best.